LaunchLemonade AI just hit the scene, and there are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving into this newly released AI software. Stick around because this review could save you time, money, and effort by giving you the inside scoop on what it really brings to the table. First off, LaunchLemonade AI is designed to simplify and automate several processes within digital marketing. Whether you're a marketer, a small business owner, or just someone looking to streamline tasks, this software promises to save you a ton of time with its intuitive features. But is it really worth the hype? Let's find out. Right away, the user interface stands out. It's clean, easy to navigate, and doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary features. If you've ever tried AI tools that leave you questioning where to start, LaunchLemonade offers a refreshing change. You can start using it immediately without a steep learning curve. One of the standout features is the Gindin Advanced Content Generation. LaunchLemonade AI uses natural language processing to generate high-quality written content, whether it's blog posts, social media updates, or even email campaigns. For those looking to scale their content marketing efforts, this could be a game changer. It's fast, reliable, and really understands the tone and style you're aiming for. Next, the AI-driven analytics are a huge win. It doesn't just generate content, it tracks its performance. You can easily get insights on how well your content is resonating with your audience, adjusting strategies in real time. This level of tracking and insight is typically only available with more expensive tools, making LaunchLemonade an incredible value for the price. If you're running ads, LaunchLemonade's ad optimization features will quickly catch your attention. It analyzes your ads across multiple platforms and suggests changes that can increase your return on investment. By automatically adjusting targeting, copy, and even bidding strategies, it's like having a full-time expert in your back pocket. Another feature I love is the automation of repetitive tasks. From scheduling posts to responding to customer queries, LaunchLemonade can handle it. It doesn't matter if you're managing one social media account or 10, this AI tool can take care of the mundane tasks, letting you focus on the bigger picture. On top of all this, LaunchLemonade AI is designed to grow with you. As your business scales, you can take full advantage of its advanced features without outgrowing the software. It integrates seamlessly with other platforms you might already use, whether that's your CRM or email marketing software. So, whether you're a solopreneur or a growing team, it's built to support you as you expand. But here's a key point that I want to mention before you rush off to test it out. LaunchLemonade AI is not perfect. Like any new software, there are some bugs and areas that could be improved. I've noticed some minor glitches with integrations, and the AI still has a learning curve in certain tasks. But given that it's still fairly new, I'm confident the team will continue improving it. Now, if you want to try LaunchLemonade AI for yourself, you can do so completely free from the link in the description below. That's right, no strings attached. I've tested thousands of AI software tools, and LaunchLemonade is definitely one of the most promising ones. Before I wrap up, make sure to check out my other recommended AI tools in the description, where I break down the best options for every niche. After testing so many, I've handpicked the ones I believe will give you the best return on your time and investment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the first link below to get started with LaunchLemonade AI for free.